In front of me is VIVO V50 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to click on Sounds and Vibration. Then click on this switcher next to Vibrate on ring to enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. You can also click on this one next to Vibrate first, then ring for incoming calls to turn on or off this option. If you want to mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations, click on Vibration Mode at the top. Wherever you decided when you finished, scroll down. Then click on Phone Ringtone. Choose Vibration Effect at the top. And click on No Vibration or Standard to apply one of those options. Go back, click on a Notification Ringtone and do exactly the same, but this time for your notifications. Go back again, scroll all the way down and use this switcher next to Touch Vibration to switch on or off haptic feedback for taps, keyboard and more. Then click on this one to enable or disable this option. Vibrate when the other party answers or hangs up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!